Hello guys, ngayong init pang panahon. Ay, sobrang init po. Panahon na to. Ay, untog pa.
Suot mo, ano yung kulay, yung damit mo, anong kulay?
Pink.
Oh. What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Same tayo. There, what's your favorite food?
Food. Malunggay.
Malunggay. What's vegetable yun, hindi in food.
Drinks.
Food pa rin.
Water.
Wow.
Hello guys, I'm Juliana.
Ano daw?
What?
Animal.
Animal? I want
Cat.
dog.
Oh, kala ko kat ikaw.
Over the cat?
Yes, dog and cat. Both.
Wow. Alam din niya.
Who's your favorite person?
My best friend.
Oh!
Talaga
ba? Who is your best friend?
I lahat.
Ayun.
People.
People.
I love all.
What is your favorite subject?
Subject. Science.
What? Wow, ma, sana all. Science hater ako. Ako din ayoko na science. Sana all ninin.
Lahat sila pinili ang science.
Kaya pinili mo din.
Apa?
Nahanip ka. Kung anong favorite mo, yung ikaw talaga mismo.
Hindi. Hey, you say, aling gusto mong kantahin?
Hanip. Hindi, favorite subject mo talaga.
Sige. Ay, science.
What is your favorite Bible verse?
Bible verse. Matthew 4 verse 4, man does not give on bread alone, but a word that come from the mouth of God.
Talino na.
Maganda na. Katalino pa. Ay, sana all.
What is your favorite number?
Number? I want favorite number is number 3.
Wow, same tayo. Same tayo, Ninin.
Babae kasi number 3.
Oh, Ninin, tawag ikaw.
Hi!
Hello.
Wow! Alexa!
Ano? Naglalakad. Tapos si ate, ayaw nagpakita.
Who is your favorite cousin?
Kasin? Pinsan? My best friend.
Oh, best friend to. Pinsan sa amin, hindi man friend.
Okay.
Sino favorite mo?
Sa inyong ate?
Lahat ng ate mo.
Ikaw.
Wow, ako daw ang favorite niya.
Tapos si at Chloe. Tapos si ate Rika.
Only one.
Okay.
Only one. No choosing. What is your favorite ulam?
Ulam. Ay,
Yes.
favorite ulam is...
Ha?
Oh my God!
Ano favorite
The mango!